welcome to J&J Adventures. Today is Sunday and I hope you're having a great day. So for today's video, our topic is all about CFO. Ano nga ba itong CFO, guys? Well, CFO stands for Commission on Filipinos Overseas. So ano po ba itong certificate na dapat meron tayo? Bakit parang medyo mahigpit ang ating mga immigration officers bago tayo makaalis ng bansa? Bakit ba nila ito nire-require? So before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. So without further ado, guys, ano nga ba yung mga requirements na kailangan para makagrant tayo nitong certificate na to? Sino ba ang mga taong kailangan ng CFO certificate? Plus, ano po ba yung mga advice ko sa mga taong mag-undergo ng telecounseling para makakuha po tayo ng CFO certificate. So without further ado, let's get started! So let's type in cfo.gov.ph via Google, and then you will be directly here. Then click the second one, CFO online registration. You will be directly to this page, but this is not the home page. So let's click on the home page. And there you go. So this is the registration services. So there are 4 boxes with different colors: blue, pink, red, and violet. So since dun sa mga newbie, so ito yung i-click natin, Guidance and Counseling Program GCP. Kung pasok po kayo dito, married or partner, meron kayong fiancé or boyfriend of a foreign national or naturalized or dual citizen, then pasok po tayo dito. So let's click on. Yan, there you go. So CFO Hybrid Frontline Services for Guidance and Counseling Program. Alright, so ano po ba yung CFO, guys? So office po yan dito sa Pilipinas, which stands for Commission on Filipino Overseas, CFO. And then, nagkakandak po sila ng guidance and counseling, o yung tinatawag na GCP. So, programa po ito ng ating Philippine government para maprotektahan ang welfare ng mga Pilipino na fiancé or may mga spouses or boyfriend from foreign country na nagpa-plan to migrate overseas. Ginawa nila tong program nito para maprotektahan tayo sa mga mail order bride scheme and human trafficking na kunyari marriage daw. So yun. So ito is mandated by law. As you can see, mababasa nyo po Republic Act 9208 or the Anti-Trafficking Act as amended by Republic Act 10364. So guys, if you're a newbie here, then you should read everything para po mas maintindihan natin. Okay. So dito po sa Philippines, meron po tayong 3 office. So yung head office is located dito sa Manila, and then we have another one in Cebu City and Davao. So 3 po yon. So dito sa online registration, actually may option tayo, option 1 and option 2. So option 1 is on-site or with face-to-face transaction. So kaya lang hindi natin yan magagawa sa ngayon dahil nasa pandemic pa rin tayo. So hindi nila ina-advise na mag-conduct ng on-site or face-to-face transaction. So dito tayo magpo-fall sa second option, which is online or no need for personal appearance at any CFO office. Alright? So, let's proceed dun sa option 2, which is online. Okay. Ayan. How to make an appointment. So, dito po sa baba, makikita nyo kung paano mag-start. So, how to make an appointment. So, reserve and register online to attend the guidance and counseling program personally. So, ayan. Click. So, click natin. Ayan. So, may mga steps po tayo dito, guys, to check whether or not you are required to have an appointment in the guidance and counseling program. Then, you can answer yes or no in choosing the citizenship of your fiancé, spouse, partner from the drop-down list. Type in your valid email address. Yan. So, yan po. May mga question. Yan. So, number 1 is your fiancé, spouse, a partner, a foreign national. Yan. Yes or no. Is your fiancé, spouse, partner, a former Filipino citizen? Yes or no. What is the citizenship of your fiancé, spouse, partner? So, yan. May drop-down po dyan. Lalagay nyo po. So, they have an immigrant spouse, fiancé, partner, visa. So, yes or no. So, depende po yan sa mga sagot nyo. And of course, kailangan valid yung email address. And then, click submit. Okay. So, yan po. Okay, prior to that, meron po tayong mga registration requirements for those with visa. So, ito yung mga taong magtuturis na nangangailangan ng visa dun sa mga country na pupuntahan nila. So, for those people, so ito po yung mga kailangan. 2 valid identification cards. Could be your SSS or Pag-ibig, as long as meron pong picture and signature. And then, of course, number 2, original valid passport. And then, number 3, original valid visa. Kung kailangan po ng visa dun sa pupuntahan ninyong country. And then, of course, CFO, guidance and counseling certificate. Yan. Dun po sa telecounseling nyo, guys, pwedeng possible na manghingi ng additional documents. Depende po dun sa interview na mangyayari sa inyo with your counselor. So, these are the requirements that may be required in the event that the counselor determines it to be essential to complete the guidance and counseling process. So, yan guys. Divorce degree. Kung divorce po ang inyong boyfriend, kailangan nyo makuha yung divorce decree certificate copy niya. Same thing with you. Kung si Pilipina ay previously married and annulled na, then kukunin din ng counselor ninyo ang copy ng inyong marriage contract, which is nakalagay doon kung null or void na ang inyong previous marriage. Okay, so number 2, yan nga po yung annulment paper na sinasabi ko. And then number 3, proof of relationship. So ito po yung mga picture together with your boyfriend, emails, yung mga chats. Yan. Sa case ko, sa experience ko, ni-require nila ako ng at least 5 photos, random photos with my boyfriend. So yun po. And then, number 6, certificate of family relations. 5, death certificate. Kung kailangan po, kung widow kayo or widower yung inyong boyfriend, or kung kayo po na nag-a-apply ay widow, then, yeah, you must also give them a copy of your death certificate of your previous spouse. And then, declaration of undertaking of travel in letter format to include the following activities to prepare for travel, itinerary of travel, and how to ensure safe travel and stay if will be required by counselor and facilitator. Okay, number 8, affidavit of invitation and support. So, ito yung tinatawag na AOS. Affidavit of support and guarantee. So, for those people na magta-travel with tourist visa, but then sponsored ng inyong asawa or boyfriend, then kailangan nyo rin pong makakuha ng AOS or affidavit of support. Sino po ang kukuha niyan, guys? Ang kukuha niyan, yung taong mag-i-sponsor sa inyo doon sa embahada ng Pilipinas. Let's say sa Amerika or sa Australia man yan, siya po yung magsasabit ng mga requirements. Siya po yung mag-a-apply ng AOS. Okay, gagawa rin po ako ng separate vlog for that, kung ano po yung mga certain requirements from your sponsor sa pagkuha ng affidavit of support and guarantee. Okay, let's proceed to number 9. Explanation on why foreign partner cannot travel to the Philippines in letter format. So, depende po ito kung i-require sa inyo. So, depende sa pag-uusap ninyo kung i-require pa niya. So, yun. Number 10, valid no criminal record certification, clearance, or any equivalent document to indicate lack of criminal derogatory record or medical or psychological condition if, again, will be required by your counselor and facilitator. So, guys, tip lang, nakabase ang lahat sa mga sagot nyo during the teleconferencing. So, nakabase po lahat doon yung mga hihingi ng inyong counselor, ng inyong facilitator sa mga isasagot nyo. So, tip lang guys, kung ano yung tinatanong ng facilitator, yun lang ang isasagot nyo. So, you know, para, kasi mahirap pag daldal tayo ng daldal tapos may nasasabi tayo na hindi naman kailangan. Kasi maaring mag-trigger yon na manghingi pa siya ng other requirement for that. So, pinaka-tip ko po dyan is kung ano yung tinanong niya, yun lang din dapat yung sagot nyo. Huwag nyo nang susobrahan. Kasi itong mga requirements na to is nakabasa talaga kung ano yung mga sinabi nyo at isinagot nyo sa kanila during your teleconferencing. Okay? So, after na makapasa kayo dun sa teleconferencing, then, ayan, bibigyan nila kayo ng certificate as long as nakapasa po kayo. Okay. So, yan. And then, what else? Wala po itong bayad, guys, by the way. Wala itong bayad, yung pag-a-apply online. Magbabayad lang tayo pag nakapasa na tayo at yung event na kailangan na nilang ipadala yung original copy ng ating CFO. So, doon lang tayo magbayad. At I think ang binayad ko is 120 pesos lang para doon sa courier. Kasi after 3 weeks or 4 weeks, i-mail nila yung original copy ng ating CFO certificate. Ayan. So, andito po yung mga important reminders. So, kailangan nyo pong basahin yan. Okay. Yan. Again, guys, yung tip ko lang, pag during the teleconferencing, guys, talagang wag kayong masyadong magbibigay ng mga information kung hindi naman tinatanong ng facilitator. Kasi guys, yung mga additional requirements na nakita nyo kanina, di ba ang haba niya? Pwedeng kunin yan sa inyo, itong part na to. So, depende po yan sa mga isasagot ninyo dun sa inyong counselor.